Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our car wash family. As you may already know, washing your car is a pretty important component of your routine maintenance, and choosing the right car wash soap is equally important, but it can get a little confusing. I'm going to explain the features and benefits of each of our car wash soaps to help you choose the one that's right for you and your particular application. First up is our revolutionary foaming surface wash. As its name suggests, this highly concentrated solution is intended to create immense amounts of foam and is ideally paired with a foam cannon and pressure washer. On regularly washed and detailed cars, you may not need to touch the car at all after allowing this foaming wash to dwell. For dirtier cars, this is a great pre-wash step that softens and loosens dirt and road grime, setting the stage for a more hands-on wash. Beyond its use in our Boss foam cannon, this wash can also be applied by our air foamer sudsing gun, pump-up foamer, and foaming sprayer. If you have no foaming tools, we have a few traditional washes for you as well. Super Concentrated Car Wash is one of our original formulas. It is a thick, incredibly high lubricant-based formula that requires 1/2 ounce per gallon and is made for the purist who wants a great car wash and nothing else. Super Concentrated Car Wash leaves nothing behind on the paint finish. It is incredibly safe for any wax finishes that may be on your car, and its super concentrated formula goes a very long way, so you end up using very little soap with your water mix. This car wash is ideal for moderately to heavily dirty cars. Next up is our Best of Show Wash and Wax. It is a very light lubricant-based car wash solution blended with quality carnauba wax. It's great for people that don't have enough time to apply a traditional wax job after washing their car, so you're getting the best of both worlds, adding a little bit of pop and some carnauba protection to your routine washes. The last of our traditional washes is Brilliant Finish Car Wash. This product actually splits the difference between our other two traditional washes in that it has brightness enhancers that affect the finish in a positive way, but no wax component. It has a lower concentration at 1 ounce per gallon. However, it's a higher sudsing formula, which makes it ideal for pressure washer application or any of our other foam dispensing tools. Next up, our alternative washing methods are great options if you can't wash your car with a traditional hose and bucket method. Rinseless Wash and Wax is great for light to moderately dirty cars and allows you to wash your car just about anywhere. It's also an environmentally conscious way to wash your car as it uses about 60 less gallons of water per wash. It is an incredibly high lubricant-based formula blended with carnauba wax and hydrophobic polymers, so you get a safe washing method combined with the protection of a wax. Its concentrated formula allows you to dilute it to different strengths for different jobs. Rinseless Wash and Wax is ideal for professional detailers, washing your car in the comfort of your garage, or for any situation where you just have limited access to a hose, such as an apartment or condo. Last up is our Spray-On Car Wash. It is a true waterless wash and is ideal for lightly dirty cars. If you don't have any access to water in a scenario such as a road trip, or you've just taken your car out for a drive, you're parking it back in the garage, and you don't want to take out the hose and bucket, this is the product for the job. Simply spray it on all of your exterior surfaces, allow it to dwell, and wipe it dry. It's really that easy. The wash products outlined here ensure that whatever type of washing situation you may find yourself in, we have a car wash solution for you. For more information on any of our family of car wash products, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.